Welcome one and all on 1 week FDP on e-content development and effective use of ICT. So today's topic is OpenShot video editor. Sometimes to create an effective video we need to edit the video, that is we need to cut some section of video, or we need to merge two videos, or we need to add an images into a video and need to give transition to that images and make an effective video. To do all these things we need to learn a video editor. So today's topic is OpenShot video editor, which is basically used to edit and videos. Okay, so let's start with topic. And first topic is how to install an OpenShot video editor. For that purpose you need to go first into the openshot.org, then need to click on download option. After the download option there are number of options available to get an installer, that is for Windows, for Linux, for Mac OS and so on. After clicking download option you will get this type of installer on your download section. For Windows it is so easy to install an OpenShot video editor. Just need to accept the license and then click on next and finish. I have already installed it on my machine, so I am not going to install it. After installing you will get this type of window of your OpenShot video editor. I'll brief about it. First, this is the project file. Actually for creating an video you need some files, that is to merge two videos you need first two videos. To add some images into that video you need an image. To add some audio you need an audio into a one file, into a one folder. So that is nothing but a project file folder. Okay, for that purpose you need to import all these videos. So in project file folder there are some options: video, audio and images are the options. To import a video just click on import video, then import option is available in file, import file options. If I want to edit a file, if I want to edit a video, I want to edit this video, so I'll first import it into my project file section. If I want to add a image into a new creating video, then file, import file, or there is one plus sign is available, you can click on it. It is also used for importing purpose. I want to import an image, then ICT PPT, select the image which you want to add into a file. You will get it into your project file section. Okay, so this project file section is nothing but a container of your raw files. Okay, then this black window is nothing but an display where you run your video. Then these are the tracks where you add your imported files, imported videos into your project file section and do some action on that, on the files. For example, if you want to edit this video you need to first drag it and drop over a track. Okay, and then you can apply some actions on the same video. So this track is nothing but a timeline of your video. When you are going to play the video, this pointer shows you your current position of video file, which file is going to be run in a running condition. Okay, so let's start with first. Before starting there are some before starting we need to learn some more option, that is tools. This if you want to add some extra tracks, then this plus sign is used. If you want to merge two videos without gap, then snipping enable tool is used. If you want to cut the video into multiple parts, then result tool is used. Then this is previous track, make a next marker. Then zoom in and zoom out option is there. Zoom in and zoom out are basically for track purpose, to move to zoom in and to zoom out tracks. This zoom in and zoom out option is available. So this is brief of your front view of OpenShot video editor. Let's start with first topic, how to cut a video. Okay, for that purpose we need an razor tool. Okay, uh, for the let's start with first how to cut an video. To cut a video you need to finalize the position from which you want to divide the video into two parts. For that purpose, first play the video and stop where you want to cut. Actually I want to cut the video in at this position, because of this much part is not required for my main video. Then select the razor tool and click on the position from which you want to cut the video. Just double click and your video will be cut into two parts. This one is the first part and this one is a second part. Then select the part which you don't want to insert into your main video, this one, and just click on delete to delete from the file. Okay, I can cut my video into multiple parts also. Just select a razor tool and click over a position from which you want to cut it. Likewise, I can divide the same video into multiple parts. Okay, then select the file which you want to delete. Just select and delete the file. Your middle part will be deleted directly. If I want to add image into this file, then just go to image section, select the image and add the image into on a track. Your image will be merged. If you want to merge the image without gap, then just select the snipping enable tool and move the next part near to image. Your image will be attached without gap with the video. Okay, likewise you can cut a video and merge the video. If you want to add the transition, that is image, let's play first how it going to be display. It displays like this, without gap image is attached with the cut section video. As you see. Okay, then if I want to add a transition over a image, then go to just transition, select the transition and place it over an image. Likewise, again if you play the video, you will get a transition like this.
Size, whatever you want. Click on text, go to filter, then
likewise you can cut a video, merge a video and apply transition over a video. Okay, after creating effective video, to import and export a video, you need to just click on export option and export video. Your video will be finalized video will be exported and you will get a finalized video with effective transitions. So thank you one and all.